Alright, so we're gonna go drive the 2003 Jaguar S Type R. No lights on the dash. You guys can see that I'll go into the Jaguar screen. The screen is faded and a little cracked just over time, and I have not replaced it. We're gonna go on sport mode, and the vehicle is up to temperature right now, but this will allow us to be able to listen to the supercharger whine and be able to drive it as we're about to jump on the highway. So let's go for a drive so that you can see how this car drives. Go through the systems too. The air is blowing cold. If you guys want to go to the climate, you have all your climate controls right here. So you'll have your AC. If you want to mute, what that means is that if your air fan is blowing too loud, Jaguar programmed it so that you hit mute, it lowers it to the second setting, and then you won't hear the blower. So that's what that means. You have your navigation screen right there. You'll have your menu screen. This is how you get to the Jaguar screen. And then obviously you'll have your audio screen as well. So, the radio works perfectly fine. So, we'll get out of that. We'll go into the logo screen. And then we'll enjoy how the Jaguar sounds. The car is on brand new Toyo Sport Proxys 2s. They're 280 treadwear tires. They maybe have 500 miles on them. They're brand new. I also just recently got an alignment, so it is very agile and sharp. And then we'll get on the highway real quick so you can hear it. Horsepower from the factory. I feel the engine feels really healthy. Just got a new transmission fluid service. Replaced some of the supercharger coolant lines. It's got an all new liquid moly oil. The car's great. The car's great. So if you have any questions, please make sure to send me a message. And yeah, from here we'll just finish out this drive and yeah, check out the pictures.